family, and today we are planting fairy garden
Your
in front of our new fort we got.
Yep, I'm not going to show pictures of the fort yet because I know you and Ethan are going to do a video of your fort.
Yep.
So we'll just do the fairy garden today. So what kind of stuff you have, Natalie, for your fairy garden?
So I have some new stuff like these.
And most of this is all from, I think almost all of it's from the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Oh, and you don't have your flowers over here.
Not yet.
Okay. And what is in that bag?
Stinky seeds.
Stinky seeds? Where'd you get those from?
Our mom got it from someone she works with.
Okay. They're like aren't they like a seed balm?
Yeah.
Flowers? And you got all these little
And
fairy
I
garden
got
stuff.
Duck.
And a duck.
And its baby.
Okay.
And 2 frogs.
Well, very good. Well, it's going to be cool repurposing the old
And
sandbox.
we found this
Yeah.
thing.
Oh yeah, we found that in our backyard, didn't
Yeah,
we?
we found it.
Inside the fence.
Uh-huh.
Very cool. All right, so I'm going to pause and let you get to work, and then we'll take some. You can explain it when you get all done. It's looking good, Natalie.
Struggling to put the lids on.
There you go. Good work.
They're
Good
kinda
work.
big, but whatever.
It's looking good. So you're going to start decorating?
Yep. So this is the water area.
Water area, because we think that looks like a. You think that flower looks like a lily pad?
This is disturbing.
What?
The glove. That's just disturbing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but this is the water area.
Okay.
So this one is gonna be right here,
Very nice.
and then I'm gonna put the water stuff over there.
Okay.
Like this is gonna. I guess this will stay over here,
Okay.
and that's where the 2 ducks will live.
All right. Well, I'm gonna pause, and then when you get it done, you can explain everything.
Okay.
How's everything going?
Good.
Very nice. Beautiful, Natalie. All right. I'm gonna pause again. Then you can explain everything, right? In the middle. Okay. You tell me when you're ready. Okay. You got your finished product, Natalie?
Yes.
Let's check it out. Oh yeah. So what you got in here?
So you start over here. You can either go to the welcome center
Okay.
or go straight in.
That's the entrance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then when you go in, that's the water area, which like the ducks and the frog in the boat, and then
Okay.
the water house.
Water house made out of shell.
They're
Okay.
in charge of taking care of the water.
Okay.
This is the garden, as you can see. Garden.
Oh yes. Beautiful garden.
This is where they have meetings.
Oh, okay.
They come and like the children come and play on that sometimes.
Very nice.
And then there's just a whole bunch of houses.
Very nice, Nellie. And you have some beautiful flowers that we need a water.
And I'm making oatmeal.
And she's making oatmeal out of
Seeds.
tree seeds. Yes, we'll have 1,000,000 trees growing.
And I'm making them string.
Okay. Looks nice, Nellie.
So that's the
All
first.
right. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
All right. Subscribe.